Hey guys, today I am going to unbox this Camlin student kit. I purchased this from a nearby store worth of 99 rupees. So let's see what is inside. First, this Camlin 10 units pencil. If we purchase this as a single unit, we get this 40 rupees. So I have removed one of the pencil from this. Now just let's see another items in this. Second is the CD DVD marker of Camlin. This you will get for rupees 15 if you buy the single unit outside. One by one we will see every item in this kit. Then comes the Camlin highlighter. After this, the pen pencil it is 0.7 mm and the cost is 15 rupees if you purchase this a single unit. And the second last product is this whitener correction pen. And the last is the eraser. It is of 5 rupees. So this all are the products. The total price is just 99. Hope so you have enjoyed this. Thank you.